Just unboxed my Porter cable impact driver and drill driver. And that thing, some instructions, and then looks like you get 2 batteries, a charger, and there's the equipment. Cool. There's the drill. Feels good. Found another Phillips head, and this has got to be some sort of a hip clip or something. So you get 2 of those. There's the charger. Take a look at the battery. Pretty small. There's the impact driver. Again, it's real nice fit in the hand. There's a rubberized grip on both of them, so you got a good grip of it when you're holding it. Looks pretty nice and pretty small. Feels good. Battery pack slides in really nice and tight. It's not loose at all. Looks like you got a little key there that or a light. Well, that's kind of cool. It points up. The Black & Decker has the light near the end, and you hardly can see anything when you're using it. So that's kind of a nice way to place. The light might be a little annoying, but there's a button that's raised up on the battery, and if you click that, it tells you how much charge you have. It's kind of nice. I thought I'd show you this too. This is the Black & Decker charger, and this is the Porter cable charger. They are nearly identical. But you can't use them because they're opposite. That little thing that sticks up in there, that tooth on the far left, that keeps you from sliding this Black & Decker battery on there. And you can't use the batteries on the different equipment. They do not fit. Just a little, like a belt clip or something. I'm gonna put it on, why not? Time will tell if that's a superior location for that Phillips and flathead bit. On the Black & Decker, it's up here on the top, and I've definitely lost several up there just banging it with your hand and moving it around and stuff, but we'll see how that does.